Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you a special homemade chicken dry roast recipe. This recipe is flavored with roasted coconut and spices. The roasted coconut adds a whole new depth of flavor to this dish. Before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification of our videos. Now let's look into the ingredients required for preparing this recipe. Coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, grated coconut, green chilies, chicken masala, garam masala, pepper powder, sliced tomatoes, sliced potato, curry leaves, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, roasted jeera powder, sliced onion, chicken and salt. First let's marinate the chicken. Into the clean chicken pieces, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and add some salt. Now you need to mix them together. Ensure the masala is evenly spread on all the chicken pieces. Now let's keep it for marination for at least 30 minutes. Now let's roast the grated coconut into the hot pan. Add the grated coconut and saute them in a medium flame. Saute them thoroughly until the coconut turns brown color. Ensure that coconut is not burnt. Now turn off the gas and allow the mixture to cool down. Now let's roast the masalas. Into the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and let's add 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili. This will give a nice color to our dish. And let's add 5 tablespoons of coriander powder. Now you need to saute it over a medium flame. Saute it well until the raw smell of the masala goes away. You should roast it until the masala turns brown color. Yeah, now you can turn off the gas and allow the masala to cool down. Now into a kadai, let's add 5 to 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now let's add the sliced green chilies into the oil. So this will reduce the spiciness. Now let's add the sliced onion. Saute it thoroughly. Let's add a bit of salt, which will help the onion to get cooked fast. Now let's add the remaining ginger garlic paste into the onion. Saute it thoroughly until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Turmeric powder will give a good aroma. Saute the onion thoroughly until it is softened. In this recipe, we are adding the pepper powder in the beginning itself. So adding pepper powder into the masala will ensure that the flavor of the pepper powder is retained in the dish. Now you can see the onion is roasted well. Now into this, let's add the roasted jeera. Adding jeera will give a very good aroma to this dish. Saute it well. Now let's add chicken masala into the onion. Saute it well until we get rid of the raw smell of the masala. Mix it well. Now let's add garam masala. We have used homemade garam masala. Mix it well. Ensure that the flame is in medium so that the masala is not burnt. Mix it thoroughly. Now let's add the roasted chili and coriander powder. Mix it well. You can adjust your spice level accordingly. Since we have used Kashmiri red chili, it will not be too spicy. It just gives a good color to the dish. Saute it well until the masala is nicely mixed with the onion. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes into the masala. Mix it well until the tomato is cooked. Mash it. Now let's add some potato cubes. This is optional. Mix it well. Now let's add the marinated chicken into the masala. Mix the chicken thoroughly with the masala. So we are not adding any water. The chicken itself will have enough water for the chicken to get cooked. So mix it well. Now let's add some curry leaves. So adding curry leaves in the end will ensure that the flavor of the curry leaf is retained. Mix it well and let's close it and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's check if the chicken is cooked. We are getting a very nice aroma. You can see there's enough water and the chicken is also cooked. Mix it well. Since we are preparing chicken dry roast, we are not going to add any additional water. If you want gravy, you can add some warm water. We are going to roast it nicely in medium flame. Now let's grind the roasted coconut using a blender. Grind it into a fine paste. Now let's add the roasted coconut paste into the chicken. Mix it well. The roasted coconut is going to give a rich flavor to this dish. Mix it well. And you need to close and cook it for another 5 minutes so that the roasted coconut is nicely cooked along with the chicken. Yeah, now you can see you're getting a very good aroma. Let's give a nice mix so that the masala is nicely blended with the chicken. You can see the chicken is well cooked. The delicious homemade chicken dry roast is ready. You can serve it with paratha, chapati, or even with rice. Hope you guys enjoyed our recipe. If you have liked our recipe, hit the like button and do share your valuable comment in the comment section. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button to get latest notification on our videos. Thank you guys.